Hello friend, welcome back to NH Drawing. Today we will draw strawberries. So let's start the drawing. Today we will use watercolor marker. So are you excited with Color Me? Wow, looking so beautiful. Draw the underline.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Strawberry's color is red.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P,
Strawberry is good for health and strawberry is very tasty. So let's start the curling.
Y-N-Z.
Green color.
My ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Red color. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for more videos.